Let's create some neon signage in Blender. We will be creating from images and also using plain text. Screencast keys are turned on at the bottom left to help you follow along. Let's type out our text. I will be using Beyond Medium font. You can get it for free on many font websites out there. Duplicate and create an outline version. Next, duplicate and create the outer part. Repeat the same process for the sign text. Let's give it an emission material. Let's add a floor and give it a dark material. Now switch to cycles. Next, let's create one from an image. Import image reference. Select the image and press F3 on the keyboard and search for Trace Image to grease pencil. Next, convert to mesh. We will be doing a solid version and a stroke version. Let's start with solid. Select a vertex, press L to select all connected areas, and press F to fill. Speeding up this process. Separate each part we want to assign the same color to. Select vertex, L to select connected areas, and P to separate. Now combine the parts, Ctrl+J. Give it material. Lastly, the stroke version. If this tutorial helped you, leaving a like really helps the channel reach more Blender users. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.